In today's video, I am going to teach you how to build a powerful Notion to-do list. Start by opening Notion and heading to your home view. Home is the easiest place to begin because it gives you quick access to your workspace and the tools you need to add new pages and templates. Next, look to the left side navigation and click on Marketplace. The Marketplace is where Notion hosts ready-made templates, and using one is the fastest way to build a clean to-do list layout without starting from scratch. Once you are in the Marketplace, go to the search bar and type the word highlight. As you type, you should see results begin to appear. Click on highlight in the results to open the matching template page. This step is important because it takes you directly to the template you want instead of browsing through many options. On the template page, click Add. Adding the template copies it into your own Notion workspace so you can edit it and use it right away. After you click Add, choose New Teamspace. This places the template into a fresh, separate area, which helps keep your new to-do list organized and easy to find. It is especially useful if you want to keep planning pages separate from other notes or projects. After creating the new team space, click Highlight again to confirm that you are adding the correct template into that space. Then click Weekly Plan to open the template's main planning page. Give the page a moment to load so all sections appear correctly. Now click Weekly Plan once more inside your workspace. This ensures you are inside the actual working page, not just viewing the template listing. From here, you will see the days of the week. Click on Mon, then click on Tues, then click on Wed, and then click on Thur. Continue by clicking on Sun, and finally click on Sat. As you click each day, you are moving through the weekly structure, so you can view and use each daily section. This makes it easy to plan tasks where they belong, rather than keeping everything in one long list. Once you are comfortable navigating between the days, you can begin adding your tasks within the appropriate day views and keep your week clear and actionable. And that is all there is to it.